Hello guys, use my phone Tecno Spark 6 Go. Start unpacking, look completion. Device in the green color, okay. In completion we have adapter for charging, headphones and micro USB cable for charging. Okay, standard completion. 2 GB RAM memory and 32 GB Intel memory we have. And talk about device. Plastic body, double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED on the back side, and this speaker. On the front side display and front camera. On the right side power key and volume keys. This side without controls. Down side micro USB port, microphone and headphones jack. Under back cover we have battery 400 mAh, 4000 mAh, and 2 slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory slot. HD resolution display, IPS display, Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT6761, Android 10, PowerWare GPU, resolution and display PPA. Look results, this results Geekbench 5. Close this, open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark score. And run the magic game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Device work good on the high graphic level, without lags and glitches. On the high graphic level we have normal gameplay. And now talk about camera. I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.